Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you choose currency on your Kayak app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Kayak app. So all you have to do to add or choose currency, so you just go down, you click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take us here in this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on currency here. So then you come to this list and here can you add your currency on your or choose currency you want to add here on your Kakai app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.